Welcome back to JBE classes. This is Brahmam. Today we'll continue the last class, Syllogisms. In the last class, we have discussed the basic concepts. What are the basic qualifiers we have? All, some, no, and some not. So before watching this video, my suggestion is better to watch first video of this topic, Syllogisms. Okay, right. All, some, no, and some not. And from the Venn diagram, how to give some conclusions, and for the given statements, how to draw the Venn diagram. And in the last class, we have solved some questions purely based on positive definite conclusions, positive definite cases only, definite nothing but confirmed cases only. In this class, now we are going to see the possible cases, possibilities. We are going to deal with the possibilities. Let us do some examples. Yeah, again, I'm suggesting you to watch a previous video because all the basic concepts are covered in the previous video only. Now these are just applications of the previous video. Okay. Draw the Venn diagram for the given set of statements and verify the conclusions in that Venn diagram. Okay. Some pens are refills. Some pens are refills. This is pen and this is refill. All pencils are refills. All pencils are refills. So this is already we have used P. I'm taking pen as a PN and a pencil as a PC. We'll use pencil PC. All pencils are refills. So here we don't need to intersect pencil with pen because nothing is mentioned here. Next, all pencils are covers. All pencils are covers. So many some students may draw the diagram in this way also. This is already refill pencil, pencil and refill. So some students may draw the diagram in this way. This is the diagram for covers. Is it a right diagram? Is it a right diagram? No. It's a possible diagram, but not the basic diagram. We are drawing the basic diagram now. So what is the problem with the C? C is having no problem with the PC, but C is having problem with the refill. What is the problem with refill, sir? So here we are drawing complete C inside R, but we have a flexibility, we have a facility to draw only some part of C inside a R, right? So this is the right diagram, not this one. See this one. All pencils are refills and all pencils are covers also. This is cover. Okay. Actually, there is no intersection between R and C, but intersection will be there compulsory. That intersection should be through PC. That intersection should be through PC only, right? So this is the basic diagram. Now the conclusions are first conclusion. At least some refills are pencils. So tell me, is it a possible case or a definite case? At least is there. That's why it's a possibility. No, no, sir, it's not a possibility. So how to identify possible statement? We'll see in the next slide. Possible conclusion identification we'll see in the next slide. As of now, remember this one. At least is not a possibility. At least is nothing but some only. At least some refills should be there, which are pens. Sorry, pencils. Okay. So simply remember one thing here. Anywhere at least is mentioned, simply ignore that at least. So remaining is our conclusion. Some refills are pencils. Is a definite positive definite conclusion. BD result is the final result. Whatever BD is saying, basic diagram is saying, that's the final result. Yeah, tell me, some refills are pencils, correct? Some refills are pencils. Sir, from the statement only we can confirm this answer. Actually, all pencils are refills. So automatically some refills will be pencils. So this is a right conclusion, definite conclusion. Next, all pens being covers is a possibility. So see here one thing. What is the difference between possibility cases and definite cases? Sir, there may be 100 possibilities, sir. Suppose one, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on up to 100. Suppose 100 possibilities are there. Out of those 100 possibilities, if all 100 follows, then only it is a definite conclusion. Okay. Here he's not telling is it a definite conclusion or not. He's saying out of those 100 possibilities, is it a possibility or not? Okay, all pens being covers is a possibility or not. So in one case is it appears also it's a possibility. Suppose in only one case it appears and the remaining all cases are not suitable for this one. But he what he's asking, is it a possibility or not? Yes, it's a possibility. In one case it is appearing, right? In that way. See, all pens being covers is a possibility. All pens being covers is a possibility. Yeah, many students will give the answer as no, right? So no, sir. For this answer is yes. So this conclusion follows. How, sir? See, just I'm drawing one of the alternative diagram for this same statement set. See here, some pens are refills. Some pens are refills. This is pen and this is refill. Next, all pencils are refills. So this is pencils. All pencils are refills. Sir, in the previous class you have mentioned without mentioning anything in the statement, we should not intersect the other circles. Huh? Yeah, that is a rule only when basic diagram, only when drawing basic diagram only. So if you want in the previous class, you can check the definition for AD alternative diagram. What we have mentioned in that alternative diagram. If it is possible, we can intersect with other circles also. Sir, actually, PC should be inside R. If it is possible, we have to intersect PC with the PN also. Okay, all right. Next, all pencils are covers. All pencils are covers. So means I can draw in this way also. This is covers. All pencils are covers. Nothing, sir. Oh, we have drawn one Venn diagram. We have drawn one Venn diagram. For that Venn diagram, if there is no disturbance in the statements, that's a possible diagram. Okay. Without disturbing the statements, without disturbing the statements, we can draw the Venn diagram in any way as your wish. All those are the possible diagrams only. Okay. Now see, all pens being covers is a possibility. Yeah, in this possibility, all pens being covers or not? Yes, it's a possibility. Okay, this is the basic diagram, minimum overlapping diagram. After this diagram, maybe one of the diagram is this one, and if you draw in that way, what may be the final alternative diagram? So final alternative diagram may be this one, a single circle with the pen equal to pencil equal to refill equal to cover. This can be the final alternative diagram for this set of statements. Now see, in this possibility also, it is happening or not? Yes. So that's why it is a possibility. Simple. Already I have mentioned that point. Without disturbing the statements, without disturbing the statements, everything is a possibility. Without disturbing the statements, everything is a possibility. Okay. Here see, some pens are refills follows. All pencils refills follows. All pencils covers follows. So it's also a possible diagram. But it will be the final alternative diagram. Next, all covers being refills is a possibility or not? Yeah, based on this possibility only, we can tell this point. All covers being refills is a possibility. Yes, all covers are in refills. Sir, in this possibility it is fail, sir. How can you say it is follows? See, he is not asking for the definite conclusion. Maybe you may tell 100 failure possibilities, but in one possibility it follows. So it's a possibility follows. Its possibility is there or not there? There. Okay. For a definite conclusion, one fail, total fail. For a possibility, just it's a possibility. Okay. So this is also maybe there. Now see here one thing. Is there any negativity in the statements? Is there any negativity in the statements? There is no negativity. Means there is no constraint. There is no constraint. Should not intersect this circle with this circle. That's there is no constraint like that. Okay. Means every circle can intersect with any other circle in any way. Every circle can intersect with any other circle in any way. Means everything is possible in this diagram. Every positive possibilities, not a negative. Negative we have to verify individually. All positive possibilities follows. That's all. Okay, for this question answer is all follows. All follow. Now let us take a shortcut point here. So before these 2 points, I'm writing one more point here. If all the statements are positive, if all the statements are positive, then all positive possibilities all positive possibilities follow. All positive possibilities follow. That's all. No need to verify, no need to check separately. If there is no negativity in the statements, then positive possibilities follows. That's all. Right? Next. I told you already. See this point. Identification of a possibility conclusion. Possibility conclusion. In the statement, sorry, in the conclusion, if there is a word like a possibility, in the previous case, all pens being refills is a possibility, like that. If a possibility word is there, it's a possibility. Next, other than possibility, if possibility word is not there, there may be can be. There may be the words like maybe or might be. Okay, these words decide it's a possible conclusion. If these words are there, it's a possible conclusion. Otherwise, it is not a possible conclusion. At least is not a possibility. Next point. Every definite conclusion can be considered as a possible conclusion. So understand this point. Suppose there is a statement. There is a statement. Some A or B. Some A or B. And there is a conclusion. Some A or B is a possibility. Some A or B is a possibility. Or some B or A. Some B's or A's is a possibility. Yeah, tell me, is it it is follows or not follows? Whether the given conclusion follows the given statement or not follows? Yeah, it is follows. Take it as follows. Actually, this point is a contradictory point. India wide, many experts are doing research on this one. It's a controversy point. So some are telling that, sir, some A's or B's is already a definite conclusion because it is mentioned in the statements only. It means it is a definite conclusion. How can we say it is a possibility? So he should not ask like a possibility now. That's why it is a wrong one. So some experts are telling in that way. So definite conclusion, statement itself is a conclusion, not follows. Some are saying in that way, and some are telling some from the statement some yes or b's. We cannot say some b's or yes is possibility. It is not a possibility. We cannot say it is not a possibility. Then we have to accept it. It's a possibility, right? So some are explaining in this way. So some are telling already it is a definite conclusion, but how can we declare it as a possibility? That's why it is a wrong one. And some are saying uh, already it's a definite conclusion, but can you say it is not a possibility? Actually, out of 100, 100 follows. Out of 100, 100 follows. Of these 100, there is one possibility is there. He's mentioning about only one possibility. Yeah, it's there or not there. Yes, it is there. That's why we have to take it as a possibility. So this is the contradictory controversy. So we are following this one because we cannot negate this one. We cannot say it is not follows because some B's or A's is not a possibility. No, that's a wrong one. Some A's or B's is a possibility from the statement itself. So we'll follow this one. So remember this point. Every definite conclusion can be considered as a possible conclusion. Every definite conclusion can be considered as a positive possible conclusion, but not vice versa. Remember this one. Every possible conclusion can be or cannot be a definite conclusion, but every definite conclusion compulsory it will be a possible conclusion. Okay. See, in this topic, note points are very, very important. Note points are the shortcuts, nothing but. Note points are the shortcuts, right? Okay. Next, restatement. What is meant by restatement? Suppose there is a statement, some A or B, and there is a conclusion, some A or B. Now tell me whether the given conclusion follows the given statement or not follows. So follows because we'll consider statements as true. We'll proceed to solve the question by considering statements are true. If it is a true statement, automatically it will be the true conclusion or not. Yes, it's a true conclusion, right? See here, the statement itself is a conclusion or not. So statements itself is a conclusion, is a restatement. Not only this one, not only this one. See, uh, all A's or B's is the statement. Conclusion, conclusion. Some A's or B's, right? So here qualifier is different, okay, but the same pair of elements are there in the statement and conclusion. Yes. So this type of conclusion is called as restatement. Actually, restatement is a conclusion. Restatement is a conclusion which has same pair of elements which are there in the single statement. A single statement consists of A and B, and single conclusion consists of A and B. That's a restatement. Okay. And we cannot say restatement always follows. We have to verify that restatement. See here, if it is a restatement from a single statement, we can conclude that one. So from this single statement, we can conclude this answer. No need to combine different statements. Okay. From a single statement, we can conclude the restatements. Next, if all the statements are positive, so this point is not preferable here. We'll see this point later. Okay. When negative definite conclusion comes, we'll see that point and this point there. Okay. I'll mention there again. No problem. Is it okay? So if it is a restatement, we can check that conclusion from a single statement. Remember this one. Next, see, sum is the subset of all. Sum is a subset of all. How, sir? This is some part, some part, some part, some part, some part. If we take all sums, automatically it will be the all, right? So sum is the subset of all, means all is the superset of sum. So here intention in giving this type of statement is for any set of statements, for any set of statements, if all conclusion follows, automatically some conclusion will follow. So see, if all is true, in that case, some will be definitely true. If all is true, automatically some will be true, but not vice versa. All may not be true in all the cases in which some follows, but some will be definitely true in all the cases in which all follows. Okay. Next, in the same way, some not is a subset of no. Some not is a subset of no. This is A and it is B. A and it is B. This part of A is not B. This part of A is not B. This part of A is not B. If we combine all that will be no A is B, na? right? So some nut is the subset of no. No is the superset of some nut. So here intention giving in giving this type of statement is, if no is true, in that case some nut will be definitely true, but not vice versa. But reverse is not possible. Next, let us do some more questions. All green are vegetables. Possibility cases only. All green are vegetables. All bears are green. All bears are green. Next, some green are nuts. Some green are nuts. So if there is some part inside the circle, we have to bring it outside. Some green are nuts. This is nuts. So this is the basic diagram. Okay. Now see, is it a possibility or not? Yes, it's a possibility. Is it a possibility or not? Yes. See, all nuts are vegetables is a possibility. All nuts are vegetables. Sir, is there any constraint between nuts and vegetables? There is no constraint. Means between nuts and vegetables, everything is a possibility. So all nuts being vegetables is a possibility. Yes, it's a possibility. Next, some bears can be nuts. So, uh, is there any constraint between bear and nut? No constraint. There is no statement like no B should not intersect with nut. That's why B can intersect with nuts in some possibilities. So means some bears can be nuts is a possibility. Can be nothing but is a possibility. Some bears can be nuts. Okay. So answer is all follows. All follow. And so here, as we have mentioned the no shortcut point already, is there any negativity in the statements? No. If there is no negativity in the statements, means all the statements are positive. Positive possibilities follows. No need to draw the diagram and solve the question. So is it a positive possibility or not? Yes, follows. Positive possibility or not? Follows. Okay. Next to see. Is there any negativity in the statements? Yeah, there is a negativity. Means we have to draw the diagram. Draw here. No book is shoe. There should be no intersection between book and shoe in any possibility. Some shoe are stocks. Some shoe are stocks. This is stock. No stock is shirt. No stock is a shirt. So this is already SH. I'm taking this SH shoe and this one is SHI shirt. So this is the basic diagram. From this diagram, see, some books are shirts is a possibility. Some book or shirt is a possibility or not? See here, between book and shirt there is no constraint. Means between book and shirt everything is possible. So means I'm drawing an alternative diagram. Instead of drawing shirt here, can I draw shirt here? Yeah. Sir, is it correct? Yes, it is correct only. So it will go wrong. Diagram may go wrong only when book intersect with the shoe and the stock intersect with the shirt. Shirt should not intersect with stock. That's all. So without intersecting with stock, shirt can intersect with any other circle in possibilities. So some book or shirt is a possibility. Yes, it's a possibility. So without trying this one only, I'm telling that between book and shirt, there is no constraint. There is no direct constraint from the statements. So means a book can intersect with shirt in any way. Between book and shirt, not only some, all possibilities exist. All book shirt is a possibility. Yes. All shirt book is a possibility. Yes. Some book shirt is a possibility. Yes. Some shirt book is a possibility. Yes. No bookie shirt is a possibility. Is also yes. Some books are not shared is a possibility. Yes, all types of possibilities exist between book and shirt. Okay, next. Some shirts or shoes is a possibility. Some shirts are shoes. So just now we have mentioned shirt should not intersect with the stock, but shirt can intersect with the shoe and shirt can intersect with the book. So some shirts, shoes is a possibility. Yes, it's a possibility. Without intersecting with the stock, shirt can intersect in this way. Is it a possible diagram or not? Yes. So here also answer is all follow. Suppose tell me this point. If I give a conclusion like this, third conclusion, all shoe, all shoe being shirt is a possibility. All shirt being shoe is a sorry. All shoe being shirt is a possibility. Tell me this one. Draw. First draw. Sir, complete shoe. Can you place inside shirt? Suppose is it a possible place for shoe? No, because shoe is already having intersection with the stock. So if you draw shirt inside shirt, sorry, if you draw shoe inside shirt, so stocks will intersect with the shirt, which is a violation of the given statement. So this constraint will fail in that case. This constraint will be violated. So if we are disturbing the given statements, means we are drawing the diagram incorrectly. So it is not a possible conclusion. All shoe cannot be shirt, but some shoe can be shirt. Okay, understand. Next question. It's also a possibility case. All circles are triangles. All circles are triangles. Some triangles are rectangles. All rectangles are squares. Squares. Sir, why you are drawing the Venn diagram, sir? Why you are drawing Venn diagram? Without Venn diagram, we can answer this one. See how? Is there any negativity in the given statements? No, sir, there is no negativity. All the statements are positive, then positive possibilities follows. All rectangles, it's a positive possibility follows. All circles being squares is a positive possibility follows. That's all. Okay, without drawing Venn diagram also, we have answered this question. Even if we draw the Venn diagram also, we'll get the same result. Okay, right. Next example. Here there is a negativity, so better draw the diagram. Some metal are papers. Some metal are papers. All papers are alloy. All papers are alloy. No alloy is wood. There should be no intersection between alloy and wood in any possibility. Okay. Now see the conclusions. All wood being metals is a possibility. All wood being metal is a possibility or not? Sir, wood should not intersect with alloy only. But complete wood, if you draw inside metal, it's a possibility or not? Yeah, without intersecting with A, it can intersect with any other circle, right? So yes, all woods being a metal is a possibility. It's a possibility is there. Next, all metals being wood is a possibility. Yeah, now see, complete wood we can draw inside metal. That is okay. Can you draw complete metal inside wood? So if you draw in that way, if this is a metal, sir, metal is already having intersection with alloy, so alloy will intersect with the wood, which is an violation of the given statement. So this will be violated. So that's why it is not a possibility, right? So here the answer is only conclusion one follows, but two not follows, right? So with this, I'm stopping here. In the last class, we have discussed positive definite cases. In this class, we have discussed possibility cases. Possibility cases. So in the next class, we will discuss negative definite cases. Negative definite cases. And later we'll see all together. Later we'll see all together positive definite, negative definite, positive possibilities as well as negative possibilities also. So till now we have solved positive possibilities only. Later in the next classes, negative possibilities also. Okay. After that, we will solve only few cases and only cases also. And later we'll see reverse syllogisms, and later we'll see coded syllogisms. Okay. So before that, uh, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. You'll get topic wise and model wise updates. Okay. Prepare well. Thank you.